Hello everybody, this is LPS Pie TV, also known as Alexis Jackson, and I'm with my friend right now, Erica Jackson, Erica Curtis, and her thing is LpsMadness23890, and I will be leaving a link below, so enjoy our friend bonding time. I can hardly see you.
Hold on. Oh, yeah, hold on.
Okay. I don't even know if they can hear you. Let me take off my finger puppet. And she also has a DeviantArt account, so you guys can check that out too.
There.
She has a lot of cool stuff on her DeviantArt, so check it out. There we go. There's that woman. And then there's that woman down on the little square. So this is my finger puppet. I got the material at Hobby Lobby.
It's just Mickey. Mickey.
I am in the process of making another one. And I got these at Hobby Lobby. So yeah. This is Erica. Why are you all shy? You're like, ugh.
I don't know.
So yeah, there's her. We're like best friends. I think I just saw somebody naked.
That's my brother. And he was naked.
Naked?
Yes.
Naked. Have this whole bin. They were $1 each. They're amazing. Only 29 cents at Michael's. Better deal. Bye guys. If you like this video, like it. If you loved it, comment. And if you want to subscribe, then yeah, subscribe. And make sure to subscribe to this woman's channel. Yeah. So have fun with your life.